Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to save in Adobe Acrobat. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Acrobat, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just to follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Saving files here in Adobe Acrobat is a simple process, but there are different options depending on what you want to do. Okay, now if you're using the Adobe Acrobat online, you might want to go to the document that you wanted to save with. For example, I'm going to be choosing this file right here. Now you have multiple options for you to do that. To save this, if you're using the online, I want you to click on the three dots icon in the upper right corner. There is an option to save a copy. If you do that, you would notice that you're going to be having a copy of this. You can rename and click on save. That's one way, all right? Saving it. For example, I'm going to rename it as how to save. Going to save it, and that's that. That's one way. Wait for it. It'll be forwarded to the same file, but now it's been saved in a different file name. All right. Now, see it's loading. It'll take a little while depending on the complexity of your file. Another option is, you see, your saved PDF is ready. All right. Another option is you might want to go here in the three dots icon again. You might want to save it in a different file. All right, you can save it as a PDF format. You see, the PDF format offers you a compressed PDF. You have an option for the high, medium, and low. Or if you want to save it on a different file format, such as, you see, Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint, and image format. If you want to save this work as a JPEG, PNG, and TIFF, you can also do that. For example, I'm going to save it as a doc for Microsoft Word. You see, it's converting to this file right here. Just wait for it. And from here, all I have to do is click on save right here. You see that? Now, I have multiple options to save it. All files, Microsoft Word, and a lot more. I'm going to click on save. Very easy. Now, if you're using the Adobe Acrobat as an application, all right, it's a different thing because from here, all I have to do is go to the upper left corner where it says it has the menu. You see there is an option to save as. That's going to be Shift plus Control plus S. If you do that, you would notice they have the option to convert your file or save your file as Microsoft Word, Microsoft RTF, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint, JPEG, TIFF, and PNG. And of course, you can simply select the file folder that you wanted to save this. Now, saving your file here ensures you have a permanent copy of documents like contracts, form, or materials, allowing you to finalize the file before sharing it with others via email, cloud storage, or printing. All right. And I always suggest to regularly save your work because it reduces the risk of losing progress to, software crashes, power outages, or unexpected issues. You can always convert and save PDFs to other formats like we did earlier for easier editing, data extraction, or compatibility with other applications. Now, you can also save it to Adobe Cloud or other storage platforms for easy access from multiple devices. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.